Welcome back to the channel, guys. In today's video, it's probably about 2, maybe 3 weeks after my last video, and main reason I've been waiting on parts. And yeah, we're in the Jeep. I'm gonna be doing the interior lights. As you guys know, they are, whoops, I guess I gotta push the button. They're halogens, and we're gonna be replacing them with, obviously, last fit. Now this is super simple. I got 2 here, 2 here, 2 back there in the trunk area, and then I was gonna do the one in the glove box here, but I think I'm gonna do the footwell lights. Here, let me pop the door open real quick. There's one there, and there's one here that are halogen. I think I'll do those instead of the glove box, because, well, glove box doesn't get used enough to. That'll be later on. I can do that anytime. But anyways, so yeah, we're gonna do that, and then I gotta get these too. Last Fit doesn't make these lights. The I think they're T10s or something like that. So I'll have to get on Amazon or Super Bright LEDs and get those from there. But anyway, yeah, it's super simple. The only thing you're gonna need for the entire thing is the interior tools, just like we've used many times in the past. And yeah, let's get to it. All right, so I'm hoping you guys can see there. I'm not sure if you can, because, well, you're kind of sitting on the armrest of the Jeep, but I'm going to use this pry tool like I did last time, and you're just going to pry along right here on this edge, very kind of easily. Don't pry too hard, obviously, and it'll take a little bit, especially if it's the first time you've ever pop these, but it will come off, I hope. I never took it off, so I honestly don't know. Sounded like I broke something. But yeah, you just pry along it. It will pop out somewhere or another. Maybe it won't. But totally should. Really? Maybe there's a trick to this that I don't know. I have no idea, because I've never pulled this down before. But usually, you know, you just put that in there, and like I did in the back, and the stuff pops kind of right out. I don't want to break anything, especially because this is my wife's and she would kill me. But and you can get it in right there, but it doesn't seem to want to actually pop down. Actually, yeah, it did. And then I got it on this side too. It did the same thing. There it goes. Thought I broke it there for a second, but I didn't. So now that you have it out, now that I have it out anyway, I can see that it has these right here. So I was prying on the wrong side, so you're going to want to pry on the windshield side, especially if yours has the sunglasses holder. And let me close the door so the light goes out. But anyway, you're going to want to pry on the windshield side first. Yeah, you can see it has just these 2 right here. Well, I hope you guys can see anyway. It has those, and then it slides in there. I'll show you guys when I put it back away. But yeah, to get the bulbs out, hold on a second. Anyway, like I said, I don't know if you guys can see that at all, but there's this pin here and this pin here that push in right here and right here. So you're going to want to pry against where the mirror is first, and you'll pop those out, and then these two right here and here slide up in like so, and they'll come right out. So that's the way you want to do it. And then to get these lights out, it's literally, you just pull them out, I believe, if I remember right. Let me look here. Yeah, I think you just pull them out. I hope you just pull them out. Let me put these down, and I'll try to get these out. All right, yeah, they literally just pull right out. So you pull it out, and then you'll pull that bulb out. I'm not going to touch it right this second because it's freaking hot. But yeah, so give me a couple seconds for that to cool down, and then I'll put the new ones in there, or a new one in there, and I'll show you before and after and all that fun stuff. All right, so here's a comparison. This is the bulb that I took out, and this is the last fit bulb. It's a heck of a lot bigger. It will fit in that hole. So here's the last fit, and then the hole that's gonna go in right here. It will fit in there, but it's a super tight fit. And yeah, I'm gonna put it in and I'll show you guys real quick. All right, so I finally got, you guys can't even see, finally got the last fit light in there. Like I said, it is a little bigger, so what I did was I took needle nose and used like that as a file. Don't tell my wife. Nah, just kidding. Anyway, it's in there, it's locked in, like everything's perfect the way it should be. It's, you know, part of modifying cars and whatnot. You gotta kind of think outside the box sometimes. But anyways, I only did one for now, just because I want to show you guys. Hopefully that can stay in there without me putting it actually all the way back up in there. But anyway, there you go, before and after. That's the regular crappy halogen, and that's the last fit light, and that's like a huge difference. I mean, it's, you guys see that it's daylight. Look at my hand. Like, here's the halogen, and then the last fit one. Like, that's a big difference. Anyway, you know, if you guys want the last fit lights, the link's in the description, and there's also a code for, I believe it's 10% off. But anyway, yeah, that's in the description, guys. Everything in this Jeep is gonna be last fit here real soon. Actually, I think this is the last thing I have to do, well, besides the headlights, which they may or may not be coming as well. Yeah, anyway, I'm gonna get this one. You guys saw how to do it, and then I don't need to show you that one. To put it back up, just these two in first on the back part of the vehicle, and then push up on the front, and it'll snap these back into place. And then we'll move back to this one. That one's easy too. So yeah, stay tuned. All right, that one's done, and they both freaking work, obviously. I mean, I didn't have a doubt that they wouldn't. But anyway, all right, let's move to the back. All right, so here we are in the back now. First time I've ever actually sat back here. There's the LEDs in the front and the crappy ones in the back. So what you're gonna want to do again is on the back side. Hopefully it's on the back side this time. Chances are it's not. Chances are it's on the front side, just like the front. So we'll try that. Maybe not. I might have to set you guys down again, I think. Yeah, I gotta set you guys down. Hold on one second. Alright, I think you guys can see there. You're sitting in my son's car seat, so. Anyway, I'm not 100% sure where this one pops down at, but I think it's right here. Maybe not. I don't know. It's kind of a pain in the butt. It's not hard or nothing, it's just a pain in the butt. Okay, it's on the front side. So, the windshield side. No, I'm wrong. It's not the windshield side. Here, I'll show you guys. It's the back side. I was prying on the wrong side. But anyway, it worked. So yeah, see, there's the little hooks and there's the clips right here on the front side. So it just goes in like so, and then you push up. But anyway, so the bulbs on this are actually right here and right here. And if I remember correctly, for these I have to turn those, I believe. Yeah, you just turn it and they pull right out like that. And that's it. So yeah, they're hot like always, so give me a second. Alright, so these bulbs actually don't work for the middle here. So if you guys see that hole right there, I'm going to try to hold the camera and show you the bulb at the same time. It doesn't fit, and I don't want to modify it to make it fit, because this metal right here and this metal right here is actually what makes the bulb light up. So if you see on the piece that I'm holding in my fingers, right here and right here, that's the contact that makes the light come on. So yeah, these aren't going in there. I'm gonna have to find another option for that spot. All right, so just like that, we put this one back. It still has the crappy halogens for now until I find something else for it. So now we'll move to the back. Back here should be that light right there, and then one on the other side, right there. And those ones are easy, and I'm pretty sure these lights will work. So yeah, meet me back there. All right, I don't know what's going on with my GoPro, but this is the phone. This is just like the reverse lights, or the license plate lights. You pop it out right here. I'll show you guys that here in a second when I can get to it here. It's a lot different with a phone, let me tell you. But anyway, I don't have enough room to get in there. Dang. All right, I gotta fold the seat down. Hold on. All right, I folded the seat down. So anyway, literally just pop it out. Maybe the thing's right here, I don't know. I have to get another pry tool. This one's too big. Nope, I got it. Man, I don't even know if you guys can see. It's hard to film with the dang phone, but there you go. You just pry it on the top there, and it comes right out. And then this, you just fold back. It's hard to do with one hand, like that. And then there's your bulb, right there. And it's gonna be hot, so I'm gonna use this blanket and pull it out. And I apologize for the noise. My neighbor's riding his tractor around. But anyway, you can see right here, it looks like it's melted. That's because it is, because halogens get super freaking hot. Alright, so again, it's a super tight fit, but it does fit in there. And it won't focus because it's my phone and it's filming in 4K. But anyway, so stick it back in the hole there, slide it back in towards the back first, and then push the front in, and ta-da. So, last bit LED, shitty halogen. Okay, so same thing on this side, and you can definitely see that it's getting melted right there. And on the top, because halogens get hot, and they're not freaking bright, so I don't know why anyone would ever use them. But anyway, let's get it changed out to an LED. Alright, so there you have it. LED, LED, and LED, not LED because they didn't fit. Did order new ones though, or other ones. So end of this video, I'll put those in. But yeah, that's gonna do it for now. Alright, so I'm not 100% sure how much of all that you guys even saw, because my GoPro, it didn't die, it was actually on 50%. It just stopped working, wouldn't turn on, off, or whatever. I took the battery out, put it back in, and then put it on the charger, and it said it was at 50%. So I don't know if any of the footage that I even filmed is going to be corrupted. I have no idea. But yeah, anyway, I ordered some smaller LEDs that'll fit in this one right here. This one, because I didn't get that one done, because the last fit ones wouldn't fit, they were too big. But yeah, so I'll put that in, me changing those right now, like after I'm done talking here. And then yeah, I'll show you guys a nighttime of before and after as well. I did get a before when they were these crappy ones at night. I did that last night. But anyways, we're gonna have more truck content coming soon. I've been having issues with the brakes still, and the only thing that I haven't replaced yet is the brake booster. So I ordered that, and I'm gonna put that on, so you'll be seeing that video Probably after this one. Not 100% sure. I might do something else. Because, well, I don't know. I guess you should stay tuned for that. And also, I'm still in the Jeep. This is due for an oil change, so stay tuned for that video as well. I actually have the oil. You guys saw it in this video. It's sitting in the back. But it's kind of rainy today, and I'm not really trying to lay on the ground in the wet. I don't feel like doing it. It's going to be nice at some point this week. Hope. Probably not, because it's springtime in PA, and, well, just like any other season in PA, it's bipolar. It might snow tomorrow, who knows. But yeah, anyway, here's the rest of this video. All right, so I finally got some more LEDs for here, because, well, those ones didn't fit. It's kind of getting a little bit dark out right now, but hopefully you guys can see. I already showed you how to take it out. But anyways, there's the front ones. As you can see, they're bright. Those ones are definitely not. And then back here, we got those two done, which I already told you guys. So, keep hitting my head off one of my kids' toys. Anyway, I ordered these off of Amazon here. There's the name. It's not really a name, it's kind of just letters. But anyways, they're smaller. I'll show you guys in a second, because I can't open the package. Alright, so here are the new ones that I got. They come in a 10-pack, and it was like 10 bucks or something on Amazon. So if you have Prime, you get them in 2 days. But they should definitely fit in the hole. In the light. That's a better word. Yeah, in the light. But anyway, I'm going to take this down, and we'll see if they fit. Okay, so here, I already showed you guys this too, but here's the bulb that I took out. As you can see, hopefully, those LEDs are pretty much the same size. So, I'm just going to pull this one out here. I'm trying to put you guys on my phone because I don't really have anywhere else to set you. And you're going to fall. Sorry, guys. There we go. That might work. So I'll just pull this bulb out. Maybe set her down, put a new one in, just like that, and then I'll put it in. So the way these go, which I already showed you guys, and it's kind of hard, so you just stick it in there. It's kind of, like I said, it's hard to hold you guys and put it in there at the same time, but anyway, you just stick it in there and you turn it to the right just a little bit, and it locks in. And just like that, it's in. So there's your comparison, and yeah, it is super bright. I'm happy with those. Yeah, it should match the last fit ones pretty darn good, because that's bright, like I said. But anyway, I'll get the other one in, put it back together, and I'll show you guys a before and after nighttime. Well, actually, I'll just show you after with all of them done now, and then as you can see, it's almost, well, it looks daylight to you guys, but it's getting dark. It's like 7:30, so it'll be dark soon, and I'll show you guys before I switched them out and after. Alright, here they are at night. It's like freaking, I don't know, 2 weeks after I put them in, because I suck at YouTube, and this is on my phone, so whatever. But they're bright, really bright.